Today, I have created a new, refreshed version of Audi's beautiful sports car, the R8. Here are some of my best designs. The first design has undergone many subtle changes. The most noticeable is the bold engine hood with massive air intakes. It may not be immediately apparent, but I inverted the lights and placed the driving light below, which I think looks better than the original. I only slightly adjusted the side air intake. What truly transformed its side and overall design was this new line brake I carried all along its side. The next design is much bolder than the previous one. The engine hood also has large air intakes, but here I kept the original form of the lights. The front air intakes also got a completely new design, and the bumper received a lower extension. The side skirt became larger than the original and received a much larger cut. Overall, I think it turned out incredibly beautiful. Building on the previous design, I tried to create something much more authoritative. What really enhanced the look of this design were these aggressive lights and the red design element with a wood pattern surrounding the grille. The front air intake, bumper extension, and skirt have also been simplified, but sometimes less is more. For this design, I tried to create something new that was sleek but not overly complicated. For the engine hood, I used the U-shaped air intake that I have used in several of my designs. What I really liked was the bumper. It received a double front air intake and very cool-looking lights. The bumper extension is very simple, and I not overcomplicate the side skirt. On my final design today, I tried out giving every colorful surface a wood pattern. Since I didn't really adjust the side air intakes in the previous designs, here it got a small modification. The rear window design also received a minimal modification. The front of the car, the bumper, became very stylish with these two massive air intakes and this bumper extension. Overall, I really liked it. With this beautiful design, I say goodbye. Please comment on which design you like the most and what kind of video you would like to see next. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.